Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you how to set up MiMo Code on Windows. MiMo Code is a terminal native AI coding assistant. It can read and write code, run commands, manage Git, and use a persistent memory system to keep a deep understanding of your project across session while continuously improving itself. MiMo Auto is built in as a free for limited time channel, so you can start with zero configuration. MiMo Code also support connecting to any mainstream LLM provider API. The first launch guide you through configuration automatically support options. MiMo Auto free for a limited time, anonymous channel, zero configuration. Xiaomi MiMo platform OAuth login, import from Claude Code, migrate existing authentication in one step. Custom provider, add any OpenAI compatible API in the TUI. Core features, multiple agent, build, default, full tool permission for development, plan, read-only analysis mode for code exploration and solution design, compose, orchestration mode for specs-driven development and skill-driven workflows. Now let's start to install MiMo Code on Windows. Open web browser, go to Google search, type MiMo Code, quick install, hit enter, click on first link, install and launch Xiaomi MiMo. Scroll down, you can install MiMo Code through curl command, npm command. Before using npm command, you can install Node.js first on your PC. In my case, I have already installed Node on my PC. Now copy this command, minimize web browser, go to Windows search, type cmd, click on command prompt. Let's check the npm version. Type npm space -v, hit enter. As you can see, npm version 11.12.1. Now install MiMo Code. Paste the copied command here, hit enter. Now MiMo Code is installed. Now run MiMo Code. Type MiMo, hit enter. It's showing warning, do not trust your entire home directory. Press enter to exit. Close command prompt. Go to File Explorer. Go to Documents. Click New. Click Folder. I'm giving it name called MiMo-project. Double click on this folder. Go to address bar. Type cmd. Hit enter. Now run MiMo Code. Type MiMo. Hit enter. Yes, I trust this folder. Hit enter. Now MiMo Code is open. Minimize MiMo-project folder. Default model is MiMo Auto. Press tab. You can change mode. Default is build. Press tab. Plan. Compose. Now let's check the model. /models. Hit enter. Now you can see the model. MiMo version 2 Pro, MiMo version 2.5, MiMo version 2.5 Pro, MiMo version 2.5 Pro Ultra Speed. MiMo Auto is free. You can also add a model here, but in this video I am going with MiMo Auto. Hit enter. Select variant, default, hit enter. Type hi, hit enter. Agree and continue, hit enter. It's showing, hello, I am here to help you with your software engineering task. Now I am given a task to create an office inventory web page. Type create a office inventory web page using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Hit enter. Now it's building a web page. Now web page is created. Open this PC. Click Documents. Double click on MiMo-project. Double click on Office-inventory. This folder is created by MiMo Code. Double click on index file. Click just once. Now you can see Office inventory web page is open. Let's check the web page is working or not. Now I'm going to add some inventory here. Click on add item. Type item name, pen, category, stationery, quantity 50, location, storeroom, minimum stock level 5. Click save item. Now you can see the inventory is added. This means our office inventory web page is working fine. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can learn how to set up MiMo Code on Windows. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.